These chicken stuffed pita breads are just everything. Into warm water in a bowl, add yeast, sugar and oil. Mix and set aside to bloom for about 5 minutes. Into this, add 2.5 cups of PEMBE home baking flour and salt. Mix until it all comes together and then knead for 8 to 10 minutes. Place it in a bowl, cover and let rise in a warm place for 1 hour. Heat oil in a pan, add minced ginger and garlic, stir and add tomato paste. Then add chopped chicken breasts, curry powder and salt and cook for 5 minutes. To make the pita, take a small portion of the dough and roll. Dry roast for 1 minute on each side. Press a little bit so an air pocket forms and it puffs up. Now cut off one end and open it up to form a pocket. Mix the chicken with shredded lettuce and carrots and some mayonnaise. Fill the pita pockets with this filling. Repeat with the rest and it's ready to serve. Enjoy!